Imagine diving into the ocean. The deeper you go, the more the weight of the water presses down on you. Now, imagine going deeper, to the very bottom, to the deepest trenches on Earth. Here, the pressure is so immense, so crushing, it's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. It's a place of absolute darkness, near freezing temperatures, and a force so powerful it would instantly pulverize steel. Yet, in this seemingly impossible environment, life doesn't just exist, it thrives. Today, we're venturing into the abyss to meet the creatures that have mastered the art of survival under extreme pressure. How is this even possible? Let's talk about the science. At depths over 6,000 meters, the pressure is more than 600 times what we experience on the surface. For a human, or most land animals, our air-filled lungs would collapse, and our bones would shatter. Even our most advanced submarines have to be built with incredibly thick, reinforced hulls to avoid being imploded. So, how do these deep-sea animals do it without any armor? The secret lies in not fighting the pressure, but embracing it. Instead of rigid, easily breakable skeletons, many deep-sea creatures have soft, flexible bodies. Think of a water balloon versus a glass bottle. If you squeeze both, the glass shatters, but the water balloon just changes shape. These animals are made of the same stuff as the water around them, mostly water themselves, so the pressure inside their bodies equals the pressure outside. This means they don't get crushed. Their cells also contain special molecules called piezolytes, which protect their proteins and membranes from being distorted by the incredible force. It's a biological engineering marvel. Take the undisputed champion of the deep, the Mariana snailfish. This ghostly, almost translucent fish holds the record for the deepest living fish ever discovered, spotted calmly swimming at over 8,000 meters down in the Mariana Trench. It looks delicate, almost fragile, with a gelatinous body and no scales. But this design is its superpower. It has no swim bladder, the gas-filled organ most fish use for buoyancy, which would be instantly crushed at these depths. Its skeleton is made of flexible cartilage instead of hard bone. This allows its entire body to absorb and equalize the immense pressure, letting it navigate its extreme home with an elegance that defies physics. The snailfish isn't just surviving, it's a top predator in its environment, perfectly adapted to a world that would destroy almost anything else. But the snailfish isn't alone down there. The abyss is bustling with other bizarre and resilient life forms. Meet the giant amphipod. While its shallow water cousins are tiny, this deep-sea version can grow to the size of a small puppy. These armored scavengers patrol the seafloor, feasting on any organic matter that drifts down from the world above, from whale carcasses to marine snow. Their exoskeletons are surprisingly flexible and contain aluminum, which helps reinforce their bodies against the pressure. Then there are the sea cucumbers, the humble janitors of the deep. These slug-like creatures inch across the abyssal plains, ingesting sediment and recycling nutrients in the complete and total darkness. They are essential to the health of the deep-sea ecosystem, proving that even in the most extreme places on Earth, every organism has a crucial role to play. The adaptations we see in the deep sea are truly alien. To cope with the bone-chilling cold, many of these creatures have a kind of natural antifreeze in their blood. Since there's no sunlight, many have lost their eyes completely. Why waste energy on senses you can't use? Instead, they've developed other ways to perceive their world, like highly sensitive tentacles or the ability to detect faint electrical fields. And to communicate, hunt, or find a mate in the permanent midnight, they've harnessed the power of light itself. Bioluminescence is the language of the deep. Flashing, glowing patterns cut through the darkness, creating a silent, dazzling light show that we are only just beginning to understand. From glowing anglerfish lures to the sparkling trails of jellyfish, the deep ocean is a world where life creates its own light, proving that evolution, when faced with a challenge, gets incredibly creative. So, the next time you look out at the vast, dark ocean, remember that it's not an empty void. Far from it, its deepest, most hostile corners are teeming with creatures that have been engineered by evolution to withstand the impossible. The snailfish, the giant amphipod, and the countless other inhabitants of the abyss are a powerful reminder. They show us that life is tenacious, adaptable, and endlessly inventive. Even under the most crushing pressure imaginable, in the darkest corners of our own planet, life doesn't just find a way, it illuminates the darkness. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the deep, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown.